Markets are really just human emotion. And right now, we're seeing fear take the wheel on Bitcoin as geopolitical tensions ramp up and institutional money starts walking away from the table. Let's talk about what's happening here. Bitcoin's sitting around $76,750 after getting rejected hard at the 82,000 level. We've broken below all the key EMAs on the hourly time frame, the 20, 50, 100, and 200-hour moving averages. That's not just a technical breakdown, that's momentum completely shifting gears. The macro picture isn't helping either. We're dealing with sticky inflation, rising treasury yields, and this whole risk-off vibe that's got traders running for the exits. Then you throw geopolitical tensions into the mix, with Trump's warnings to Iran, and suddenly Bitcoin's looking less like digital gold and more like just another risk asset getting sold off. Here's what's really concerning though, the ETF flows. We just saw a record $635 million single-day outflow on May 13th, and over $1 billion walked out the door last week. That breaks a 6-week inflow streak and tells us institutional appetite is cooling fast. When the smart money starts heading for the exits, you've got to pay attention. But it's not all doom and gloom. We're still seeing corporate accumulation, with Saylor's company adding over $2 billion in Bitcoin recently. The question is whether that corporate buying can offset the broader institutional exodus we're seeing through the ETFs. From a technical standpoint, we're looking at crucial support between $74,000 and $76,000. If that zone doesn't hold, we could be looking at a trip back down to the 65,000 demand area. On the flip side, resistance is stacked heavy between 79,000 and 82,000. The wild card here is geopolitics. Any de-escalation in the Iran situation could bring some relief to risk assets. But until then, we're trading in this risk-off environment where bad news travels fast and good news gets ignored. For positioning, I'm watching for either a breakout above 82,000 for a long towards 85,000 or a break below 74,000 for a short targeting 68,000. But honestly, this market's getting choppy and you could easily get stopped out on both sides. Take your time with this one.